welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna, and today's video is going to be a what's in my bag featuring the toy size of the YSL puffer and this pretty color magenta. So if you want to see what all can fit, just keep watching. Y'all, when I tell y'all I love this bag, I love this bag. And that's why it was featured in my favorite bags video. So if you guys want to see what other bags are my favorites, I'll link it above in the card. So let's just jump right in and see what fits inside of here. And mind you guys, this is the toy size, so I'm excited to show you how much stuff you can fit in this bag. And as y'all can see, it's not stuffed, it's just normal. So the first thing I have in here are my sunglasses. It's these really pretty white, kind of like a cat eye shaped. I'll show you guys how they look. The next thing that's inside of my bag is a comb, my keys and my card holder, my AirPods, and I just have like the regular ones, not the pros, hand sanitizer, my phone, and I have the iPhone 12 Pro. I have my lip gloss combo, which is the Fenty Heat Beauty in the color Hot Chocolate in the Juvia's Place and the color Bronze Sugar. I have my magnetic eyeliner because if you guys didn't know, I use magnetic eyelashes. Sometimes I need to just touch them up, so I just carry it around just in case. Last but not least, I have a sample size of the Baccarat perfume. I've been it's almost empty. I wanted to try it out, and I was able to get a free sample when I purchased this bag from Saks, so I've been kind of enjoying it. I see why people like it, like I really like it. But I only wear it like special occasions, and last night when I wore this bag, I went out to dinner, so that's why I wore it. That's everything that can fit inside of here. As you can see, you can fit so much in here, and I just love this quilted pattern. I just love the strap. The only con that I have to this bag is that I wish that the strap was adjustable. It's kind of just like a one size fit all. So sometimes, like if I want to wear it as a shoulder bag, I will literally just like twist this and then put it in the bag like this, so that the pink part of the strap is just like hanging over like that, and then I close it, and now I have a crossbody bag. I'll show you guys some mod shots of how that looks towards the end of the video. So really quickly, I'm going to tell you guys all the bag details. So this is called the Saint Laurent's Toy Puffer Shoulder Bag, and it's quilted, and it's in the color magenta. It has a flat front with snap closure with the zip pocket at the interior, and they recommend that you spot clean it, so do not try to do anything else with this type of material. I'm not sure if the material is showing up that well on the camera, so I'll have to do some up close shots to show you guys how it looks, but do not try to wash this bag, just spot clean it. And the chain link is 22.5 inches long, and the overall size of the bag is 9 by 6 by 3.25. I bought this from Saks, but I think it's sold out on Saks, so I'll try to see if I can find it from somewhere else, and I'll make sure to link it below. And they also do make it without the strap at all, and it's kind of like a clutch, but it's very small. I want to say it's like probably like that. Like it's very small, so it's kind of like a giant coin purse. So I am going to show you guys some mod shots now. much for watching this video. You have to let me know what you think of the toy puffer size and how much could fit in here. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!